DJ Gary on the ones and twos.
If I never feel you in my arms again, if I never feel your tender kiss again, if I never hear I love you now and then, will I never make love to you once again? Please understand, if love is, then I promise
two of them alone, kick back, doing their own thing. And every man wants a woman that can always keep him in the mood. And I'm that kind of girl, so this is what I tell my dude. I tell him to kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Oh baby, down to the escape beat, just kick it, just kick it, just kick it, just kick it. I tell him to kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Down to the escape beat, just kick it, just kick it, just kick it, just kick it. Every man wants a woman that can cook him up a good meal. A woman you can treat like his own man. Take her out on the app and just chill. And every man wants a woman that ain't good for just laying on her back. And I'm the kind of woman. So before me and my man get in this leg, I'll tell him to kick off your shoes and relax. Kick off your shoes. Down to the escape beat, just kick it, just kick it, just kick it. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Party on down to the escape beat, just kick it, just kick it, my baby. Just kick it. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Party on down to the escape beat, just feelings, so deep in the feelings. Know they say you really like me. Control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go. Ah, how many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feeling all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go.
If tomorrow is Judgment Day, sing, mommy, and I'm standing on the front line, and the Lord asks me what I did with my life, I will say I spent it with you. It's alright. If I wake up in World War III, I see destruction and poverty, and I feel like I wanna go home. It's okay if you're coming with me. It's alright. It's alright. My love is your love. It would take an eternity to break us. and come with me, and let me show you to ecstasy. Boy, be brave, don't be afraid, 'cause tonight we're gonna go all the way. Don't mean to be bold, gotta let you know I got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Ooh, my age ain't nothing but a number. And now ain't nothing but a fade. This love I have for you, it'll never change. Age ain't nothing but a number. Ain't nothing but a number. And this love we have, it'll never change.
A lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a son that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. You don't hear me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes. No one lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot an aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
He was a very special, warm and gentle person who put music in the world and spoken rhyme. And it hurts me that I never really knew him, 'cause all it would have taken was some time. You know he always seems to be there when
much color and the laughter we left behind. I made the choice when you couldn't decide. I made the choice, I was wrong, you were right. Deep down inside, I apologize. Never meant to cause you no pain. I just wanna go back to being the same. Well, I only wanna make things right before you walk out my life. Well, I never meant to cause you no pain, but I just wanna go back to being the same. Well, I only wanna make things right before you walk out my life.
Last night I saw you standing, and I started pretending I knew you, and you knew me too. And just like a romance, you were too shy, but you weren't the only cause, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I build up my confidence that next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I started to write you letters, but I wanted to be more clever. I wanted to get down and sweet talk you, baby. But just like a baby, I could not talk, and I tried to come closer, but could not walk. And I think of it every night, how I just could not get it right. Oh, if we ever come close again, I know what I'll say then. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I wanna know your name. Can we talk for a minute, baby? Girl, I want to know your name.
There you are, looking as fine as can be in your fancy car. I can tell you're looking at me, what you wanna do. Are you just gonna sit there and stare? Baby, talk to me. Tell me what's on your mind, baby.
Oh, baby, bring it all to me.
Bring it on.
But I don't need no fancy cars or diamond rings.
Baby, I don't need none.
Oh, baby, bring it all to me.
Bring it home.
Give me your time, your love, your space, your energy.
Oh,
Baby, what's the deal?
G.
Oh, baby.
I'll put my pride to the side just to tell you how good you make me feel inside.
There's not a single question that we can make this right, 'cause it's you I need every day and night. Oh, baby, yeah.
Bring it all to me. Yeah, yeah. But I don't need no fancy cars or diamond rings. No, I don't. Oh, baby, bring it all to me. Bring it on. Your time, your love, your space, your
Every day we gon' come around your way and do it our way. Word up. Ha. Yeah, yeah, one time with the flow.
When I step up in the party, won't you move it to the left? Party people moving side to side, I'm feeling kinda blessed. 'Cause I'm so alive,
I'm so fly.
you're so fly,
So fly to me.
kind of nice.
Word up.
It's a party, 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 party.
Let me get down, do my thing. I always bring that always make your ass swing. Holding down the fort while we keep it tight. Hit you with that bang that keep you live all night. Make it move strong while we keep rocking on. Now the object is survival, son, so get your hustle on. Bust tough shot while I blow up the spot. I'll make it hot till the jam is packed to the parking lot. Now, me and my mans feel like we astronauts, 'cause we so high from off that line we got from new lots. Certified stimulation got me open wide. Before we slide inside, we grab the stash out the ride. We on fire tonight, and the place is looking steamy. Baby girl, let me shoot that gift that make your cake creamy. Feel the heat circulating through your body every time the flip mode clicks. Step inside the party where this bar.
How we flow. The stimulation circulating through my mind, body, and soul. Busta rhymes, stimuli, making me lose control. And I'm so fly, and you're so fly, feeling kind of nice. It's a party, party, party,
I got my mind made up. Come on, you can get it, girl. Come with me if you really with it, girl. Back to my dungeon shack where the party is at, where I can tickle your eyelids and your feminine fat. I checked for you, baby, what you gon' do? There's a party at my crib designed just for me and you. Let me let my crew know we bout to break out. Split star web through Quanah Law and the Boy Scout. My man Black missing, son wildin' with the shorty flipping, stacking paper, sipping bubbles, good living. But anyway, we bout to break out in my lands, pursuing our thoughts and executing all plans. The dope is that we both understand that it's a one-night stand and you ain't even thinking about your man. Oh, we bout to turn on the heat again. Don't you say a word until we finish partying.
Don't you know that tonight is your night?
Tonight is the night, yeah.
Feeling good when I have a piece of mind.
Boy, I got a little piece of mind.
Set it on me just a little while.
It's a party, y'all. It's a party, y'all. It's a party, y'all.
One for the money, two for the show, three to get the honeys. Here we go. We do it. One for the money, two for the show, three to get the honeys. Here we go. MONEY, it's all good with me. 'Cause finally I can afford the life of luxury. And I remember in the day Mama had to work so hard just to pay the rent. All the money spent, have to get another job. And now we're living in a 8-room mansion on the hill. And we sipping on champagne when we chill. And we riding, yeah, and the Benz all over the world. One for the money, two for the show. We do it. Here we go. We do it. One for the money, two for the show. We do it. for, cause we love to sing. We're gonna freak you up and down. It's how we do our thing. And to the ladies in the house tonight, if looking fly, you got it right. It's gonna be an after party, and I got to have somebody and take it to my 8-room mansion on the hill. We'll be sipping champagne when we chill, and we're riding all the players from the east to the west coast. Oh, this is why we do it. Two for the show. Say we do it. Here we go. We do it. Two for the show. Say we do it. Oh, here we go. No, we do it. Two for the show. Say we do it. Here we go. Girl, you got me twisted over here. I got what you need right here, baby. Baby, baby, I know. Baby, I love you so. But you don't feel like I do. Tell me, what can I do? But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. Baby, baby, in time. Baby, I know you're fine. That what you needed was here. Think about it, my dear. But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Ooh, make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby. Girl, you got me twisted, baby. I got everything you need tonight. Breaking up
You got me twisted, thinking about the way that things used to be. When it was you with me, girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start like Cupid, and I was just downright foolish and stupid. But now I know the reason for the pain and the headaches. You left me all alone, now I can't even concentrate. I guess I'll wait for the day until you come back, because my heart is where your love is at. You got me twisted.
You know you want my loving, baby. Girl, you got me twisted, baby. I got everything you need tonight. What are you gonna do?
I do any and everything you want to make your girl say, ooh, ooh, why is he so fly? She beats me, never she wanna get freaky. You can get mad if you want to, say whatever you want, but she still gon' give it up. She likes it my way, my way, my way. Can't satisfy her needs. She keeps running back to see me do it my way, my way. What I say, girl, and I'm in control. Two-seaters with kicks, new kicks. It's all in the mix. All turn, no tricks, they turn for me. Catching bricks don't concern me. So forget it, little midget. My mind on 7 digits. Before I pay heaven skies to visit the digit. I'm pulling all stops, locking down all spots, saying you can't front. So from this day forth, you know I'm all about heat. And what I do, be the major league. That's why your girlfriend's paging me. And she know, like he know, you don't see her like I see her, so she's out the door. Shotgun in my drop, having fun with the dun system. Based on conversation about how she been chasing me and facing me, saying give it to me now, baby. Satisfy me. Keeps running back to see me do it my way, my way. What I say, girl,
Every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that
produce large amounts of juice. Can you get used to that, or do you need a boost of energy to enter me and get it on? You're getting warm, I can feel you getting closer. Now, baby, down this mimosa. You better believe it's time to give a toast to the woman of the decade. Too bad to be played. Get vexed and I'm bound to throw shade all over your body. Whose body? Your body. I can rock a party like nobody. Leaving time and take home the loot. Choosy about who I let knock my boot. Now let me take sight till you're loving the light. Life ain't all that unless you're doing it right. Come on.
Keep on, keep on. 'Cause you came and you changed my life. Your love so brand new. Keep keeping on. Doing it right.
Beware of the stare when I step into peace. I come in peace, but I got the need to be released. Now who from the chosen shall I choose? Yeah, now you wish you was in his shoes. I found me a new this year that knows how to handle this here. Now I look forward to going home at night. Brother does me right under the candlelight. Wax upon my back, can I handle all of that? Yes I can I? Why not? If I wanna, yes I can I? More honey than a bumblebee hive, pulling 69 ways out my archive. Sweet like licorice, sugar for my booger. Juicy like high C or an IC. I got to make you write a bad check. Cause like I said, I ain't afraid of the sweat. Beat on my drum if you feel the need to. As I proceed to open up and feed you. I got a longing to put you where you wanna be. Been out here and I get rid of all company.
Keep on, keep on. 'Cause you came and you changed my life. Your love so brand new.
It's Friday and I'm ready to swing. Pick up my girls and hit the party scene tonight. Oh, it's alright. So get up and let this funky mellow groove get you in the mood. 'Cause you know it's alright. Yeah. Keep on grooving. Don't stop moving. Don't stop moving. Let me see you go. Back, back, go back. Let me see you go. Back, alright. Wanna see you go. Back, I got you shook up on your knees, 'cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. Niggas that can satisfy me, just for me. If you are that kind of man, 'cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody sing, 'cause we don't give a damn about a thing. 'Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night till the early morn. Come on and I will take you around the hood on a gangsta lean. 'Cause we can any time of day, it's all good for me.
Lately there seems to be some insecurities about the way I feel, where I wanna be. But you know what's with you, no one can do the things you do to me. Never to be mistaken, long as it's love we're making. There's gonna be some rain, gonna be the pain, but as long as I know, boy, time will show, our love will grow, and I know love will be
giving so much of yourself. It seems the only way. Tell me what you want and I will give it to you. 'Cause you are my love. Do you ever dream me cold in rain? Oh, darling, my candy rain. My love, did you ever dream that it could be so right? I never thought that I would find all that I need in life. All I want, all I need. Now I know I found it in you. I found it in you. 'Cause you are my love. Do you ever dream? Do you ever dream me cold in rain? Oh, tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for you. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for you.
Now Mace be the man, wanna see you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. Girl, in my eyes, you the baddest. The reason why I love you, you don't like me cause my status. I don't wanna see you with a carriage, living average. I wanna do my thing so we be established. And I don't want you rocking them fabrics. Girl, I wanna give you carriage till you feel you a rabbit. Anything in your path, once you can have. Walk through the mall, if you like it, you could grab. Total it all up and put it on my tab. And then tell your friends all the fun you had.
Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for you. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for you.
Hey mama, won't you come here to Popeye? You don't like the way your tatas looking at Scott-Eye? In the 600, ain't no smoking cigar. Come over here, I think I see your baby father. Here go the number to my casa. If you in a rush, you call me mañana. Whatever you need, girlfriend, I got the whole enchilada. Just the way you like it, Mace gon' do you proper. Girl, I could tell you was meant for me. I could tell by the way you was sent to me. While I'm on tour trying to make them centuries. And they ask who your man, you better mention me. If you don't, you know you got a problem. Said you want no beef, girlfriend, don't start now. And it just so happened that I'm seeing cash, cause you messed up a lot just trying to be fast. And I ain't gon' ask who smashed the E-Class. Pull up to the rib with the whole front crash. Now you wanna laugh, good thing that's the past. If you ever lie again, girl, that'll be your last.
Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for me. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have
Girls and things, trips and this and that. Things we do for love. Fancy cars, credit cards. Do you remember? voices in my mind, hoping someday I would find the perfect one and I could share. And then that day you walked inside, and no longer could I hide my love. I had to take you there. Sailing on a cruise at night, into the ocean under moonlight. Yeah, yeah. Taking you to paradise, paradise, baby. Yeah, yeah. Diamonds, girls and things, trips in December. Things we do for love, things we do for love. Fancy cars, credit cards, you remember things we do for love. Showered you with gifts of love, but it was never enough to bring you closer to me. Tricking money was no thing, the simple pleasures that you bring my way takes me back to the day we were sailing on a cruise at night, racing to the ocean under moonlight, taking you to paradise, taking you to paradise. Yeah, yeah. Diamonds, girls and things, trips in December. Things you do for love. Oh, fancy cars, fancy cars, things we do for love. Things we do for love.
It's our first time together and I'm feeling kinda horny. Conventional methods of making love kinda bore me. I wanna knock your block off, get my rocks off, blow your socks off, make sure your G-spot's
I'ma
on.
call your big daddy and scream your name. Matter of fact, I can't wait for your candy rain.
So what you saying? I get my swerve on, bring it live, make it last forever. Damn, the kitty cat's tired.
Daddy, slow down your flow. Put it on me like a G, baby, nice and slow. I need a roughneck nigga, Mandingo, and a sack who ain't afraid to pull my hand, spank me from the back.
No doubt, I'm the player that you're talking about.
But do you really think that you can work it out?
I guarantee you, shorty, it's real. Baby, stick it out. Here comes the man of steel.
Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
I represent Queens, she was raised out in Brooklyn.
Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
I represent Queens, she was raised out in Brooklyn. I'm in the mix now, searching for the right spot to hit now. Get down.
Damn, I love a dick down. You use a rubber.
Damn right.
You are my lover.
All night.
The pretty good to you, heard the rubber.
Man tight. The only thing left to do was climax. Let's make it last.
Word, we ain't going out like that. All this time you've been telling me that you was a dumb.
I tried to warn you, girl, you wouldn't listen. Now let's get it on.
You made me wild. Don't do that. Chill. Wait a minute, baby. Let me please your back.
Talk a good one, shorty. Love you making me sweat. How a live nigga like it, girl?
Nice and wet. We get it on till the break of dawn. Damn, you're large. How a big girl like it, daddy?
Nice and hard. Safe sexing it, flexing it, getting that affectionate, chewing it, viewing it, all while we're doing it.
Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
I represent Queens, she was raised out in Brooklyn.
Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
I represent Queens, she was raised out in Brooklyn.
Hold up, let's take it from the top. I Fox gets my swerve on, floors pure rocks. In the 6 drop, bull, and it don't stop. See money looking alright, yeah. What up, Bob? Across the room, throwing signals, I'm throwing them back. Flirting, cause I digs you like that. Pete baby boy style, hoping we match. He sent me Crown Royale with a note attached. He said you look like the type that know what you like. I could tell by the jewels, you go for the ice. Plus, you wear shoes well, the suit flows nice. I don't like the notes too well, let's be more precise. Meet me by the VIP, let's powwow. Whisper in my ear like blue, let's bounce now. I'm about to say peace to my mans for you. When it's all said and done, I got plans for you. He said,
Come on.
Come on.
At the bar, high post, frontin', I toast. Getting my flirt on, player, ain't nothing.
Yeah.
He trying to say the right words to get us out of here. Jackpot when he said it's bullshit in here. And his smile blind like the shine on his necklace. Mind telling me no, body telling me exit. Breast said yes, give me more wet kisses. Twist my body like the exorcist. Hey, the way he licked his lips, he was macking. True thug passion. I'm like, slow down before you crashing. Never mind him, he ain't thinking about you or the way we sex. On a villa up in Malibu. Marry who? Daddy, please. I'm taking it all from the stash to the keys. So let me see. Boy, I'm about to dead my mans for you. When it's all said and done, I got plans for you. He said,
I need you right here in my life. Gotta get you home with me tonight. Gotta get you home with me tonight. Baby, I need you right here.
She was a Jezebel, this Braxton queen, living a life like a backstreet dream, telling me lies when the truth was clear. I think she knew what I wanted to hear. Spin 'em around like a wheel on fire, walking on tightrope and love's highway. Fatal attraction is where I'm at. There's no escaping me.
I just wanna be close to you. Do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the way I feel.
I feel love when I'm lying in the midnight hour,
Holding you just like a dream. Love is never what it seems.
when we touch, and you're holding me the way you do.
Girl, you make my dreams come true. You make my dreams come true. I just wanna be close to you and do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the way I feel.
She was a Gemini on the cusp of Mars. She holds me back or she goes too far, winding me up just to let me down. So emotional, gagged and bound. There's more to this than meets the eye. A devil woman locked inside. With the full moon rising, I was scared. I think I was possessed.
I just wanna be close to you. Do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you. Show you the way I feel.
Everybody, let me tell you about my love brought to you by an angel from above. Oh, you queen,
DJ Gary on the ones and twos.
Since you've been gone, I've been hanging around here lately. And my mind is jumped in my car, tried to clear my mind, didn't help me. I guess I'm all messed up now, baby. Soon as I jumped into my ride, those memories start to play.
all about. But I'm having downs, cause I see you tryna play me out. And when I brought my car to crib with beef, didn't I represent you when I caught him in the streets? So let me get the keys to the Lex, and all my checks, and all my hang-up baguettes around your neck, babe. Does it lace you with the fine? Does it make you wanna scream it? Yeah. Does it hit it from the front to back? Oh. Does it let him break it down like that? Girl, I told you the love was gone. Never thought that you'd do me wrong. Girl, I thought that this love was strong. Baby, no more. No more late night creeps. No more VIP. Don't wanna go. Can't even kick it no more, baby.
The story goes, baby, now I got the flow, cause I knew it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you, you lied to me. Yes, I tried, yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you, you lied. Show, cause what you did you know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me, she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me, but you did. You lied to me, all this pain you said I'd never feel. You lied to me, but I do.
The notorious just please us with your lyrical thesis. We just chillin', milk 'em, top billin', silkin', pure linen, me and little C, Malibu sea breeze, dawn peas, palm trees, cats named Pablo and milked out Diablo. The williest, bitches be the silliest. The more I smoke, the smaller the Philly gets. Room 112, where the players dwell, and stash more cash than Bert Fidel. Inhale, make you feel good like Tony. Pick up in your middle like Moni. Yeah. She don't know me, but she's setting up to blow me. Yeah. Try to style sliding off with a homie. Yeah. Escada Dangada, player, stay splurging. Game so tight, they call it version.
Oh, I need to know where we stand. Do we share the special thing called love? I know I do. What about you? I just can't get enough of this time.
Where you go? What do I do? I can't live without your love. Thinking of you makes me feel like I am the only one for you. Girl, I want to be with you. No one else.
all you want to. Money, I'ma front you. Girl, I wanna flaunt you.
Right.
I'ma always want you when nobody wants you. If I die now, my love will still haunt you. Mace ain't the one that'll pay for your phone. Mace be the one that'll take you home. Even though I'm not the one that gave you the stones. On your days alone, I can make you moan. Everybody know I got more bounce than an ounce.
Bad boy, get more money than you can count.
Why I'm buying things you can't even pronounce. I do it to you, cat, for a large amount. And when the beef come, you know where to be found. Why I be around till the winner is announced. Here you go, girl, with thousands in your palm. Why you can't let bygones be bygones?
Where do I go? What must I do if I can't live without love? Thinking of you makes me feel, baby, like I'm the only one for you. Girl, I want you. Oh yeah. I need you. Let you see that I really love with you. And it hurts so bad to see you cry, to see you sad and blue. When I'm needing you the most, but you feel someone when no one will take the place of you. And I don't wanna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do? No, I don't wanna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do? Don't hide the way you feel for me no more. Just because we're miles away doesn't mean I'm insecure. And it hurts so bad to hear you cry when I can hold you. And you're needing me the most. I feel the same. Never change. And I'll always love. And I'll always love you. No, I don't wanna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do? No, I don't wanna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do?
Seen Shorty at the club, line around the block. Said I know a better place if you down, we rock. Too many clowns in the spot, now I don't pump like that. Let's go somewhere, have a beer and a shot of Jack. And after that we can head back to the crib, and I can show you just how bachelors live. But I'm sick of being alone, waiting for the phone, for a cutie to call with a booty call. Rockefeller, y'all.
Don't run away from my love that you need. Don't turn away from my love you receive. You are the reason that I want to leave. And I want you to remain with me. No, I don't wanna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do? No, I don't wanna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do? No, I don't.
I get so excited, don't know how I like it. I try but I can't fight it. Oh, you're dancing real close, but it's real slow. You know what you're doing, you're making it hard for me.
Oh, the song's on you, requested. You're dancing like you're naked. Oh, it's almost like we're sexing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boo, I like it. No, I can't deny it. But I know you can tell I'm excited. Oh, girl.
Step back, you dancing, come close. Feel a little pull coming through on you.
Now, girl, I know you felt it. But boy, you know I can't help it. You know what I wanna do.
Baby, when we're crying,
Oh, yeah.
I get so excited.
Feel so good.
you now and here. The way that you shake it on me makes me want you so bad sexually. Oh girl, step back to dance and come. Oh. Feel a little pull coming through on you. Now girl, I know you felt it, but boy, you know I can't help it. You know what I want to do. Oh yes, crying, I get so excited. How I like it, I try but I can't find it. Baby, it feels so right, real, real slow. You know you're making it hard for me. Baby, don't stop.
You, I keep thinking, why can't she be like you? So I'm scheming, I can't go on like this. Believe that her love is true. Oh, standing on the dance floor while she tricking. You are all I want, girl. She's a chicken. We might be together, but love is missing. Girl, I want you. So what can we do? Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Let's get it on. I got a girl, but you look good tonight. You look so good, baby. It's one-on-one tonight. Me and you, baby. Tonight. Oh, girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Get it on. You shouldn't have to be alone tonight. Yeah, yeah. It's one-on-one tonight. One-on-one, baby. Yeah. Now she's looking at me, but keep talking. Oh, now she trying to ice you. Let's start walking over on the dance floor. It's her fault, but what can she do? Tell me, baby. Yeah. I'm ready. We can get it on. I know that I went wrong. With you is where I belong. If I
like the late Sugar Green. Dolce Gabbana Moschino with Donna jeans, but he slipped up and threw his rock to a fiend. He be playing like a Willie cause he dressed shit up, never knowing that his woman is in need of love. We got Versace, gold link, stomach chains with rocks, official hairstyle, but you stuck up in the spot, making love. Duke is weak, then he falling asleep. You on the phone with your old peeps, dying to creep between my sheets. So what you got Chanel on your feet, hot sex on a platter makes the mission complete. I wanna laugh with you, I do what I gotta do. I wanna laugh with you, I do what I gotta do. I wanna laugh with you, I do what I gotta do. I wanna laugh with you, I do what I gotta do. Jewels and Cristal got him acting funny style. He ain't watching you, he rather watch his money pal. Can't protect treasures when it's in a glass house. Soon as he turn the corner, I'ma turn that out full blown. Frontin' in the 6 with the chrome, yo B. Why you leave your honey all alone with me? Just because you blessed with cash doesn't mean your honey won't let me finesse that. You see, the moral of the story is a woman need love, the kind your so-called players never dreamed of. You got to try love, can't buy love. If you play your hand, then it's bye-bye love.
dress on. I think I feel a bone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open, waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front, backseat Jeep, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. Oh, digging you, baby. Yeah, and you know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm on you.
Say what? So baby, tell me what's up. Can we ascend to higher heights, and when the path gets rough, we can get into brighter nights, breathe with peace, expound by leaps and soul to reap our souls to keep the passions deep and filled with heat. Living this life on the hustle, I barely get enough time. You know me from the platinum, how I stack 'em and shine. You see a lot of contenders, they try to end up in my world. A reputation known as the untouchable girl. I'm moving on and now I'm trying to make a change in my ways. Be the best that I can be to last me all of my days. Now we can blaze pathways or just take our time. Better holler if you hear me, cause left eye gon' shine. My eyes don't lie, see how they glisten when you pass me by. You and I don't need permission to be unified. Surely I done seen and heard of many places. Then I traveled around the world, see many faces. Don't let another one get near me if you wanna be true, and show me that nobody else can do it better than you. So if you're serious, I'm curious to see what you got. My love is furious, cause I believe in blowing up spots.
Running boy, in and out my
DJ, keep playing that song.
Everybody, move your body. Now do it. Here is something that's gonna make you move and groove. Hey DJ, keep playing that song all night.
Going down like this forever.
On and on.
Now what you hear is not a drag, cause Mr. DJ Quick got a brand new bag. But first I gotta bang bang, a boogie for the boogie to the rhythm of the ghetto-y streets. Check it out now, you tryna give me some 8-ball, but no way, I'd rather have a mimosa with Cristal and OJ. Yeah, just a little something bubbly and tingly to have me walking around naked. But wait a second,
The function's on around midnight. What time is it? Are you inside? Available to come and play? Give me a clue so I don't have to look for you. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down.
yeah. Now we don't need a club, we can do it at my house. My front door's open so homies get busted out. And ladies, if you come and leave your children at the nursery so you get slow on the anniversary. Feel me, I dip, die. So don't be looking stupid when I unfasten your bra. You know you wanna mac this because I come stronger than the IRS whenever you done got the link one on your taxes.
Now here I am, staring at you. I need a drink. You need one too. Who is your friend? She don't look nice, but I know she will later on tonight. Come on, let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down.
Now I'm at the club and I'm off that drug. The one they call alcohol got me acting, y'all. I hump 2 feet before I hump 2 more. And now I'm throwing up my guts out the corridor. Overconsumption, you know how it is, y'all. Got your homie begging for some Pepto-Bismol. But when my stomach's right, I'll be back tonight to get that lady I was running on the wall. Feel me.
Now that I feel a little better than I felt a while ago. Yeah, I'm going back to the same spot where I met you on the floor. Now table 1, that's my folks, and table 2, that's my folks, and everybody knows my name.
What's up, Sadiq?
Now table 3, that's Big Rap, and table 4, that's G1. You best be prepared, 'cause it's on again, you know. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down.
DJ Gary on the ones and twos.